Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by signing out of the App Store now. Put your 2FA device in hand. First, make a quick backup so app purchases and data remain safe. Once ready, close the App Store and open Settings, then tap your name at the top. Next, select Media and Purchases or iTunes and App Store and choose Sign Out. You do this to detach the device from purchases and downloads and to prepare for removing payment methods and subscriptions next. Once signed out, you continue by cleaning up billing and device links. Go to Settings Right Arrow Subscriptions and cancel any active plans, then Settings Right Arrow Payment and Shipping to remove cards. Make sure to authenticate when prompted. 2-factor codes verify it's you. If the device still appears on your Apple ID, go to Apple ID device list in Settings or on the account website and remove this device. These steps stop future charge attempts. Complete the process by restarting your device and verifying the App Store no longer lists your Apple ID. Once done, open the App Store and ensure it prompts to sign in or shows a different account. If you need another account, sign in now. Make sure services like iCloud and Find My are handled separately. If something goes wrong, check subscriptions and device list again, sign out of iCloud if necessary, reboot, and then retry. That usually clears lingering prompts and reattaches purchase control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.